Hello guys, and welcome back to FNAF. Ultimate Night, I think. Oh, I can't remember. But, yeah, I decided we're gonna see some jump scares and see how far we go. So, we're gonna go through all of these. We're gonna do it twice, because they do say different things. But I am gonna put my mouse down when they attack. So, there we go. We'll do Freddy. Yep, I'm good. Put that down. Hey, right, ready for some jump scares. Okay, come on, let's see Mr. Fredbear come. Ground, collect some coins, yeah? It comes when it's hotter. So I'll do that. I'm just gonna turn this all the way down for now. Then when he attacks, I'll put it back up. There you go. Say anything, Freddy? No? Because I know they do stuff. Right, so that was Freddy. We'll do him once. But there we go, let's do Bonnie. What does Bonnie even do? Oh yeah, he shares Pirate Cove with... So basically we just gotta watch Bonbon here. Well, not Bonbon. Bonbon is here. Well, Rockstar Bonnie. Wait, what's Bonbon? They don't have Bonbon. That's with it, Bonnie. Bonnie. Toy Bonnie. Rockstar Bonnie. Where's Bonbon? Oh, they don't have Bonbon. Where is he? Oh my god, they don't even have, what's his name? Lovely Freddy off this location. They don't have him. Yeah. And he's with Bonbon. Aw, Bonbon. But so basically we just gotta look at him. So I'm gonna turn my volume down again. Oh god. Got a room here. Bonnie's still there. Can he jump scare you or not? No, I need to jump scare me, Bonnie. Bonbon. Can you jump scare me or no? It doesn't look like he can, because otherwise he would have, I'm pretty sure, jump scared me by now, right? Since I've looked at him so many times. Bonnie? No, can you not jump scare me? Because it's just little Bonnie standing on here, so that means Mr. Bonbon is in his lovely Pirate Cove. Lovely jubbly, yeah. Why did he share it with what's his name? Foxy. Like, why couldn't you be like normal? Just like stay on the stage. Well, there is no stages though. Like, is there even a stage? I don't know. Oh, he can't kill you. He just blocks out all your cameras. That's what... Oh, I get it. Alright. So we will... There we go. So we'll put you down. I'm gonna put you up. Chica doesn't care if the music box around up. She can grow tired of the playing. When the sound of pots and pans stop, you only a short amount of time to change the music. Okay, there we go. Chica, 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 chica. Come on, Chica, you're at 20. Chica G. Chica G. Chica G. Chi 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 Chica G. Chi Chi. Chica G. Chi 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 Chica G. Chi Chi. Chica G. Chi 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 Chica G. Chi Chi. Chica G. Chi 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 Chica 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 Chica. Say anything, Chica? Did I just not say anything? Oh god, DD repel, that was loud. Put it up, see if I could hear anything. Oh good. Oh, you still got your cupcake there, your famous cupcake, yeah. No, put you all the way down. Fuck it. They gotta leave Hearts Conan if you don't check it on him regularly once. Piece by piece? Oh yeah. Chewing gum, sorry. Yep, you're in Pirate's Cove. Well, I did say not to look at him. Said not to look at him, right? So should we just watch while he brings himself in here? Or what? Does he need to be checked on? You're not there. No, Dee! What are you doing here? Dee! Oh. Phew. Oh, nice. I like Foxy's voice. I like Foxy's voice a lot. It's better than the others. Well, since they didn't have any others for voices. Let's just, do it once more. See if he actually says something else. How unfortunate. How unfortunate. I'm gonna do a sneaky thing. I'm throwing a contender in the ring. Just checking all the cameras here. Except for the one last. Of course Foxy's in. Start to pick something here now. Oh my god, DD! What are you doing? Go away, DD. Would you like to apply a new problem to your night? Oh no! Who've you added, DD? Phew, you come here. Arr, I came for the beauty. The beef treasure, you know. Oh, I love Foxy. Foxy's one like my fave. Right, let's do you. Let's make you lose your game, so I'll lose my game, yeah? Of course, it still has to be in like a 50-parter because I still can't do this. You got game over yet? Ooh, look at all those coins. He's coming after us. He's coming, little Hoover thing. Game over. Turn you down. Down. Down, 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 as far as it can go. And then just leave the map. Never felt a show. Come and kill me, come. Oh my god, DD, just go away. Kill me, Toy. Oh, glad I know what to do with bomb. Oh my god, isn't that one secret cactus? Right? He lost, right? So why isn't he here? Toy Freddy, come on, God, come kill me. Literally, just kill me. Just go sit here and do nothing. Go on phone, yeah? There we go. Turn you up. Mr. Hub's got me again. Oh no, Freddy. Toy Freddy. Matter of fact, DD repel. DD appearing. Okay, well, we only got up to 5, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That'd be 9 more episodes of this. So, don't miss them. See yous.